How to Convert Between Different Pressure Units by Kylie Knight and Rachel Jahoski. 1 atm or atmosphere is the average pressure at sea level. Here's a conversion. If you're given 0.875 units of atm, convert this into millimeters of mercury, mmHg. Now to put this into a formula so we can calculate the answer. So in the beginning, you're going to want to write out the numbers that you will be using. Here we're using 0.875 atm and converting it into millimeters of mercury. The first step is to put 0.875 atm times 760.0 mmHg over atm. After this, you're going to cancel out the common units, which is atm, on the top and on the bottom. Now you're left with 0.875 times 760.0 mmHg. You multiply that out to get your answer as 665 millimeters of mercury. Now on to the next equation. If you have 98.35 kPa or kilopascals, convert this into atm. To start off, you write down 98.35 kPa over 101.325 kPa over atm. Now that there is kPa on both the top and bottom of the equation, you can cross them out, leaving you with atm. So now your equation says 98.35 divided by 101.325 atm. Now you divide that in your calculator and get the answer of 0.97 atm. On to conversion number 3. If you have 740 mmHg or millimeters of mercury, then convert this into kPa or kilopascals. Start with putting 740.0 mmHg times 101.325 kPa over 760.0 mmHg. This way, there's common units on both the top and the bottom. Now you multiply 740 times 101.325 kPa over 760. Plug this into your calculator and you get the final answer as 98.66 kPa. Now on to number 4. If you have 12 atm, convert this into torr. To start off, you write 12 atm times 760.0 torr over atm. Then your next step is to cross multiply so you can get rid of the unit atm. Now you're left with 12 times 760.0 torr. Your final answer is 9,120 torr. Alrighty, on to the last conversion. If you have 975 torr, convert this into atm. Using the T-chart that Mr. Nodato taught us in class, you're going to put 975 torr in the top left corner. In the top right, you put 1 atm, and then at the bottom right, you put 760 torr. This way, both of the torrs can cross-cancel in units. So now you're left with 975 torr times 1 atm divided by 760. You plug this into your calculator and you end up with the final answer being 1.28 atm. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning about conversions of units.